Hello. How are you today? Welcome to another Monday night stream. Actually, will be the only stream this week because Friday is a celebration for some of us. And therefore I shall not be streaming on Friday evening. But I'm here today. So for all of you who are tuning in, welcome. I hope your week started off well. Joost, where is the ice cream? You're outside, but is there ice cream? That is the most important. Welcome in, row 22. Nice to see you. That's a good username. Is there any significance to the 22? I would imagine there'd be some reason that row 22 specifically is very interested. Hello, Chillaxathor, and thank you for sending good vibes. I appreciate them. I think I should trigger some kind of like animation from the good vibes, like hearts floating on screen or something. But I thought it might be a little bit too feminine for my stream. I don't know. Welcome in, Chill. Good to see you. Good to see everybody tuning in. I'm going to torture myself again today, as I did on Friday, because apparently I didn't get enough. I didn't get enough on Friday, and I just realized I forgot to start some stuff. Bad signal, discuss amongst yourselves. Okay, thank you, Joost. Thank you very much. I forgot to start up Docker, so I'm going to do that now. While we wait, we can chat about what everyone's plans are for this week. This is my last week of working for someone else, which is kind of mind-blowing, actually. This is literally the last week at my job, where I've been freelancing since October. And next week I'm off, and from 1st of January I am officially self-employed. So yeah, that's happening. I don't really know what to think about it yet because I haven't experienced it yet, if that makes sense. Hello, Dex. Welcome in. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Chill. Thank you. Yeah, it's been a long time coming. It's been a long time coming. We've been side hustling this thing for, I think, 8 years. 8 or 9 years, almost. Please, no words. Okay. I'll shut up then, if you say so. I honestly speak the words. Don't show the words. This is actually a moment of silence for the current job. No worries. Yeah, moment of silence for the employer who is going to lose me. Absolutely. Although it is, to be fair, like it was planned from the beginning. Because they knew that it was a 3-month engagement, so yeah, that wasn't like a question. But I've received a lot of comments from them about how sorry they are to see me go, which is really cool. Actually, it's nice to feel appreciated, right? I think it's nice to feel appreciated. But yeah, it's gonna be my thing in 2 weeks, and I don't really know what it's going to feel like to wake up in the morning and then kind of not have anyone telling you what you need to do that day. Like only being able to decide for yourself what to prioritize 100% of the time. When can you send your CV? When we have enough money to hire, which I don't know when that will be. I don't know when that will be at all. You're right, Irish. Probably pretty good. Yeah, probably it will feel very, very good. A little bit daunting, I think. I think it will feel... I mean, we've been under pressure until now as well, but then it kind of starts in earnest, right? Because then we're burning our own money. Until now, we've been kind of side hustling, and it hasn't actually burned any cash. Not significant amount anyway. I mean, we invested ourselves, of course, but that was like a one-time investment to build our product. If anyone's wondering, I'm talking about my startup, so... beats, and then you'll try and do 50 things at the same time and get not one thing done. Yeah, that is the danger of being a founder of a startup. But fortunately, because we've been side hustling with so little time for so long, we're actually kind of used to making the most of the time we have available. So I like to believe that we will be efficient in our work. That being said, yeah, it will be challenging. This I know. So we're all gonna drop, and I'm hoping someone hits 100 before end of the year. Honestly, the whole year, no one's hit 100 on my channel, except me. I mean, none of the viewers have hit 100, which is very disappointing. So it would be kind of cool if someone managed to hit 100. But anyhow, I'm going to torture myself again because I couldn't sleep very well on Friday. And if anyone can guess why... Welcome in, Ophelia, as well. Nice to see you here. If anyone can guess why I didn't sleep well on Friday. Not because of words, no. Because I wouldn't call it OCD, because that's not fair to people who actually suffer from OCD. But I have a bit of a compulsion, let's call it, that I can't leave things open. Bad microphone settings. That was also not great. When I listened back to my VOD, I totally get what you meant, Dex, by the way. And I will be taking you up on your offer tomorrow. I should have time in the evening. Yeah, I don't think we're far off. There's a few things I want to tweak, and I think I went way off in the opposite direction. No, I have like an issue because I can't leave things unfinished. So like Advent of Code is 31 days, and that's fine. Or is it? No, it's 24 days. Hold on, I have to look. It's 25 days. And I'm okay with leaving, like not doing all the days. That's okay. Like not completing to all 25 days. But I can't do half a day. So the objective for today is to finish day 3 to the second part. Which is honestly, it is terrifying how difficult the second part is to do with SQL. I probably could figure out a way to do this in JavaScript, but I'm not comfortable enough with JavaScript, and I've dedicated myself to doing it in SQL. So yeah, this is where it's going. So let's begin. Let's get started. This is where we are starting from. Let me just switch up here. So this is where we are starting from. We are starting from... Actually, I might want to move my camera to the top today. I think it makes more sense. We are starting from the point in time where I have to... We're on a submarine. This is like the challenge. So it was words on stream because chat demanded it. No, I felt bad about not completing the second half of this. I don't think that's directly due to words on stream. But anyway, basically, we're in a submarine. This is the data set we've been given. The data set we've been given is a series of binary numbers. I think there's 1,000 of them. 1,000, yeah. And is this readable, by the way, chat? I don't know about font size. Tell me if it's too small. So in the first part, I did some weird, wacky stuff to parse each individual character or digit of the binary string. And that was very challenging. Oh, drop the record. Interesting how that has a white background, Dex. Shouldn't that have a transparent background? How weird. Interesting. Huh. Stream Elements doing weird stuff. Or the, not Stream Elements, Pixel Plush doing weird stuff. Okay, so in this part of the puzzle, we have to calculate the life support rating, which is calculated by two individual numbers, the oxygen generator rating and the CO2 scrubber rating. These are found by locating, so when we have a binary string, which consists of like zeros and ones, we have to filter them. So basically, before we search for either rating value, we have to start with the full list, and then we have to keep only numbers selected by the bit criteria and discard the other ones. It did when I made it, but Twitch changed something and it broke. Yeah, can't be bothered to fix it, fair enough. Ophelia, very happy. Ooh, that looks like it could be a good drop. Ooh. He just took that spot there at speed. That was quite funny to watch. So essentially what we have to do, we have to get all of the numbers, all of the binary numbers together, all 1,000, determine the most common value in the current bit position, keep only the numbers with that bit in that position. So if 0 and 1 are equally common, I have to keep values with a 1. So in a for loop, this would be quite simple. But in SQL, I'm not sure how to approach this. It's not necessarily an issue about parsing bit position, because I can get to each position. We did like a thing here where I split them out. I'll show you. So if we do binary num, and then like this, so you see here, like, this is not a problem. Like I can split them, but I don't know, maybe I need to do something different. Heyo, J Walter, welcome in. Maybe I need to try something different today. Maybe we need to try like something like regex split to table, which I'm not really sure about syntax. Regex or regex? So it's going to be regex text. Does everyone here know J Walter? J Walter is a member of our team, our stream team, and I always have difficulty finding your button. J Walter streams pretty interesting stuff. How come that didn't actually work? You missed the viral TikTok on regex versus regex? Yeah, probably. Ah, so there's Stream Elements, just a bit slow today. I didn't see that. I also stay away from TikTok. Ah, of course.
They're great.
Garbage.
White Panther. Thank you for the subscription. 7 months. Not quite a baby. Not quite a Twitch baby. UK, thank you very much for the raid. UK is an awesome streamer, also a fellow Claw member. And the Claw was founded by none other than White Panther, which you can see right there. There will be no words today. Too many words on stream. I think I'm gonna retire from words. It's taking up too much of my attention. I didn't sleep very well. I was explaining to chat that I didn't sleep very well on Friday because garbage. Because I left day 3 half open, and that really bugs me to have unfinished stuff. Like, I'm okay not finishing Advent of Code. I won't finish Advent of Code. I'm not a programmer.
Faith in data, information, ones and zeros never lie.
That's right. Ones and zeros never lie in a binary exercise. Okay, so I'm going to finish the second part of day 3. Chat, feel free to help, but not backseat. If you...
I think I am...
Really? Did you text me? I can't believe no one redeemed first. Until now. Congratulations, Steffi.
I'll say I'm sorry.
No, be sincere. Like this. I'm sorry.
Ooh.
I'm sorry.
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 Hello, Rugmat.
Good, that's the one.
Now I'm wondering if this is like a clone. Am I supposed to know who this is? I don't know. Welcome in. Wow, Stream Elements is laggy today. Look at that. Panther's thing only shows up now. I don't know. Very strange. Maddie 2 rugs. I do have more than one rug in the apartment, that's for sure. So this is going to be text. Yeah, the shoutout is like weirdly broken. I mean broken. Oh yeah, the shoutout is completely broken. That's odd. It's very odd. What is the difference between a rug and a mat? Oh. No, I don't know actually. Teppichen. Teppichen. Zwei Teppichen. Yeah. Difference between a rug and a mat. That's a very difficult question. I think a rug. Oh, UK, thank you for those 500 bits. Very kind. I think a rug and a mat. So I would say a mat. Oh, thank you for the follow. I would say exactly, Panther. You wipe your shoes on a mat. So a mat you wear shoes on. A rug you don't. Generally speaking. That would be... I think that's like the general consensus. So if we take binary num, a mat is a small rug. Beats, thanks for sending good vibes, by the way. Appreciate it. Binary num and then a string pattern. So it's going to be digit as binary row. What is happening? Canhorn! Canhorn! Ian, how dare you toot? How dare you? You never toot otherwise. Canhorn, thank you for that 4-month sub. That is very... Steffi. Bad Steffi.
Information
Oh,
never lie.
I'm so impressed that Ian's... I'm so impressed that, in general, people seem to be able to time stuff really well on my stream.
Wow, that really blew my mind. Like,
Next chart shows
have
the drop in the
goosebumps.
crime rate over the last month. I just erased everything.
Ah,
What are the odds?
are you enjoying yourself, Panther? Good thing there's cooldowns, so you can't completely spam them. You can't completely spam them because there is cooldowns. Of course she's doing it until I give her words, but I need to...
I'm hit.
I need...
I search the web, I text, LOL, laugh out loud, OMG, oh my god, WTF, why the face?
I need to finish day 3. I have to finish day... Rods. Sword? Stress testing the stream indeed. I mean, I can disable them in theory. I think you'll still hear them, but not see them. I think. I'm not sure. Do you want to test? We can test.
Or,
Still, you still hear them.
that really blew my mind. Like, I have goosebumps.
Steffi, we just passed into season 4 today.
Garbage.
Of Superstore. So what is happening here? Yikes. Okay, each digit is 1 exact digit. Do I need to like tell it it's a regex or something? Ah, no. What? I think you'll need to give Panther a small screen to play with words. No, I don't need to do anything. I am very powerful in my own stream. What I don't understand... Panther, thank you for the 99 bits. Was that the last... Oh, it's a hype train. I didn't even notice. We're on a level 2 hype train already. Good lord. Why are you doing this, people? Save your money for Christmas presents and stuff. And biscuits. That's all you had. More powerful than soundless spam. I think so.
Fine. I'll say I'm sorry.
No, be sincere. Like this. I'm sorry.
I shouldn't have said that, should I?
I'm sorry.
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 Good, that's the one.
It's not matches. It's regex split to table. Wow, that's a lot of paper balls, people. Split to array. Split to table. Ah, I do need to... Wait, double escape? Huh. Oh, GDPR, you'd like me to protect my identity. I almost forgot we had props. No one redeemed anything last time. I almost forgot. Protection enabled. I should get a voice filter as well that like muffles my voice. That would do it. Oh no, Steffi, this is more this is so difficult to begin with. How am I supposed to do this? Chat over here is in full protest. We won't be able to hold the lines anymore. What shall we do? It's a battle. Hands on. Hands on. Fine. I shall show you my progress. Oh, now it's a bit awkward with my camera there. 1 second. This is a bit weird. Okay, I'm gonna put my camera back here again. It's a bit strange when it's like all on its own. I don't know. Little Maddie thought he was going to make some progress this evening. Little did he know chat was going to screw him over again. Yeah, that's bound to happen. Alright. So I'm looking up regex split to table. I don't understand why this isn't even working. That's my main problem. Wall of Flame. That's a cool song title. So I think this isn't working because of that. No. Hey, Hype Train! Thank you! Thank you everyone for your support. I appreciate that. You can use the thank you command, which is !TY, to get some love in chat. Thank you very much. I appreciate all of you being here. Don't forget to be appreciative of people. Also, hands-on got more expensive. I don't appreciate that. It was being used very liberally, Steffi. It was being used very liberally. I chose to increase the price. It's simple supply and demand. It's how the market works. Yes, it was. It was being very well. It was being very well. Oh gosh, no. Can I just reject this? Can I just reject this, Canhorn? I can't believe that you have that many points. But then I realized you are the #1 points earner on Panther's channel, so I realized that you're always lurking in everybody's streams to get so many. You have to refund double. I can't refund double. How's that even possible? I can keep it. You can redeem it later. It's too early. That's the problem. It's too early. Imagine there was a hands-off redeem that ended a hands-on early. Nobody should know that. Well, it's just by purely like in the number of channel points that you can earn. Someone else doing SQL Advent of Code. Really? No way. That's cool. That looks like a cool... Wait a second. I want to open this off stream. I don't trust this link. I knew it. I knew it. I had a feeling. I had a feeling. I had a feeling. Trying to get me DMCA'd? That was very, very naughty, Panther. I don't know. The link seems so suspicious. The link seems so suspicious. I could not just open it. You know what, chat? Okay. Okay. One round. One round, chat. One round of words. And then we are going back. One round only because I got rickrolled. I am in charge and I am choosing to. Okay? But it's only one round. So if you waste it, that's your decision. Your face hurts. Well, chat. I'll play with you too. How about that? I'll even play with you. Oh wow, that started difficult. Holy moly. Steve is in here, so I don't think you'll last very long. Devoted. I am devoted to my streamers, to my viewers. Definitely. If you don't know how to play, by the way, just write the words that you make out of the anagram in chat. Directly in Twitch chat, like everybody's doing. You can see everyone spamming all these different words. That's the words that they're trying to make out of those letters. If you make longer words, you get more points. If you make words quickly, you get more points. There's a little lock icon. Sometimes your name will have a little lock next to it. That means you're temporarily blocked from submitting more words. Look at that, we completed the level. Good job. Good job, chat. All right. We skipped 3 levels because we did so well. I also don't know what a teed is. Oh, is it the verb teed off, as in golf? That's an interesting one. So only 4-letter words and above, Matt. Rug Matt. Pickaxe. Nicely done, Beats. That means that pick is up for grabs. There's also a 6-letter word there up for grabs. Should be good points. Pace. We've already beat this level, but the more points we go, the more levels we skip, obviously. Pickaxe without an E? Huh. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. PI something? PIAC? I don't know. Nice one with Apex. Apex Panther. Yeah, I think that's... Okay. Skipping 2 levels. Okay. Let's continue then. I thought I was locked. Not sure what the long word is. Geronimo. There's some easy 5-letter ones to be had, I think. Govern, nice. Ah, governor. Hey, Gak, good to see you. Good to see you. It's been a while, indeed. Oh, you know what? We could do this one. No. Govern, groove, organ, orgon. Oh no, that's too short. Been lurking, waiting for the words. Oh, is that so, Gak? Oregon. Oregano. Orgon. Oh. Okay. One of those worked. You just try enough combinations and you get them. Ergo, you are like Gak. Gak, welcome in. Good to see you. It's been a while. Gak is also part of our wonderful stream team. I hope that Stream Elements is a bit faster this time. Probably not. I think there's something busted with the command. Gak is part of the Claw crew, and you should definitely check him out. We also have our website, theclaw.team, where you can find all of us at once. Yeah, I know Beats. Okay, fine, let's go. Jesus, man. Everybody's so impatient. There is a fake letter. Watch out. Solid. Sorry, I was trying to hit the button. Polish. Very good. So it means that the D is fake. So don't use it. Let's do this one. Spoil. That's good. That's an easy. D is fake. That's correct, Panther. Soil. Am I unlocked yet? No. Soil. Yep. What else can we get in there? Polish is already there. Polish, lips, oils. We already completed the level. Let's go. Wow, chat doing well today. Hips, hops. No, hips. Oh, it's already in there. Lips. Lisp. The other way around. There we go. Okay. What else we got? Poles. Let's just try all the letter combos. So O-I, O-I-L-S, O. What was that weird one that we kept having that was a P word? Was it fizz? Yeah. Fizz. Like Fizzalis? Oh, we did pretty well. I think we were missing one at the end. Oh, like two pies. Pies. Poise? Poise. Two poise. Two poise indeed. Good on ya. Autocorrect. Panther having problems. Let's continue. Yeah. Throw the paper balls. Try and hit the... There's a fake letter again. Be careful. The Q and the U could fit together. Getting that accent out. Yeah. There's no E. Why did I do that? Coin. Nope, that one's not in there. Donut. The D might be fake then. Nope, D is fine. C is fine. The N is okay. The I is okay. Could be the Q. The Q might be fake. Yeah, the Q is fake. Q is fake! Unit. Who's an absolute unit? What's the long word though? Q is fake. ITDN Q O I see. Hey, conduit. Oh, very nice. That's nice. What's another one in there? Induct? That's a good word. What have we got here? Induct. Induct. Donut. Oops. I thought donut would be in there. Inducto. Tonic? No, that's already in there. Shit. Count is already in there. Oh, I think we're gonna lose. Yeah. Oh, chat. Canhorn, you funded that round, but that's it, unfortunately. This is the total ranking. Level 11. Gak, 17 stars. Well done. Panther, 116 stars. Well done. Oh my gosh, Gak. No, this is getting rejected. I said we would do one round. I promised we would do one round. I need to finish the day 3. We can play again later, perhaps. We can play perhaps again later. We don't need one more. No. We don't need one more. We are going to finish. We are going to finish. There are certain people that are maybe addicted to words. There might be people who are a little bit addicted to words on stream. Just a tiny bit. And they are not happy right now. But we have to... See, I was trying to help at the end. Would anyone have gotten Noctwid? Would anyone have gotten this? Noctwid? I don't even know what that is. What's Noctwid? A dull-colored, medium-sized nocturnal moth. It's Panther, like, you should have known this. Honestly. Holy moly. Of course, Noctwid. Okay, so this isn't working, and I don't know why. This is very confusing for me. So I'm gonna do 0 to 9. No, 0 to 1. 1 digit. Yikes. This isn't working. There's no separator. I should be getting different rows for each one. But I guess that probably won't help. Oh, I put it in at the end, Steffi, to see if what was still there. I put it in at the end. I don't use it while I'm playing. That's cheating for sure. That would definitely be cheating. No, I'd be way better if I was cheating. I would be getting all of... Oh, finite. 5 months as well, finite. Infinite love for you, finite. Thank you very much for the subscription. That is... your support is very... I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Finite is also a member of the Claw. And a... streamer who streams cool stuff. I was hanging out in Finite stream a bit earlier today, and then we raided UK, and now UK raided me, so it has come full circle. Ah, Rugmat, you were also in Finite stream. Very cool. Good to know. You've hung on to a double raid. That's a good chain. It's a good chain. Maybe I don't need to go into a table. I don't know. I don't know what I need to do. That's the problem. What do I want to do with it? How would I be able to count all of the... in the current position? I wonder if there is a SQL bit position or character position thing. I wouldn't know of one, but it's a chance to learn. Bit string operators. Okay. Bit strings as well as character strings, length, bit length, octet length, position. Oh, hold on. Where's position? Okay. How does position work? How does that work? Okay. I'm not sure how this works. Position. Substring in string. Oh, but this is not good because it's gonna look for the first one. Literally the first one. Position 1 in binary num. Oh, because this is an integer. We have to convert this to a varchar. Ah, position does not exist? Okay, that's interesting. What's happening here? Error function does not exist. Oh, you have to wrap it in single quotes? Oh, okay. This could be an assertion, though. This could be an assertion. We could be using this like where position 1 equals 1, which would mean it's the first position of the string. That could technically work, but I still don't know how to get to the point where we know that the strings are 12 characters long. What would it be called? String traversal? String traversal? Reverse? String position? I don't know if this is the right... Ah, wait. Wait. There's something here called substring. We did substring before. What if we do... Substring, bit, and then integer. Oh, hold on a second. I want to extract... You can't find your VR equipment for the PC, Steve, or for console? We want to substring 1 from... Hold on a second. Character or image expression. Hold on a second. I might have found a way to do this. So this is binary number. We want to extract 1 from the start. Oh, oops. I don't want this. 0. Hey, what if we iterate? Ooh, this could be interesting. What is the sum of those? So if we compare the sum of this one, can I do that? And the sum... No, I need to compare them when they're 1 and 0. So that won't work. Count if. This will work. This would work. I think I know how to do this, chat. I think I know how to do this. Why is it having a problem with this? Count if. I have the PSVR for oh, there is no function count if. Hold on a second. Oh, it's some case when. If I had an Oculus Rift somewhere. Ah, okay. Case when substring binary num 1 1 equals 1, then hold on, let's do 0 first. Then 0. End as count 0. And then we do a count of those. Group by 1. Oh, we need this before the group by. Syntax error. Oh, oops. Text integer. Varchar. No. Hold on a second. So this returns an integer? Ah. What if I take out this now? Oh, chat. I think I found the way to do this. Look at this, chat. Case when substring is 1, count 1. Perfect. This is the first select condition. Ian, I know that's from, what's her name again? I forget her name. She's Italian, right? Italian, but lives in England? Study time? I forget her name. You are subbed everywhere, Ian. That's incredible. Oh, Ian, good land. Yeah, I forget her actual name though. There's a lot of like study streamers. So look, chat, this actually works. Basically, we need to iterate through. Ah, you got a gift sub. Nice. Basically, we need to iterate through to find the oxygen generator. Most common value in the current bit position. Keep only numbers with that bit in the position. So this is the with oxygen count. Oh no, I need to do a data frame first. Select star from day 3 with, or do we even need a data frame? Not really. I guess not. oxygen count. Oxygen count? Oxygen generator as. So basically, we don't need the binary number. We just need to count which is bigger. How do we know which one is bigger? Case when we need to do a nested case when probably. So case when count 0. What was the rule? If it's a tie, keep only numbers with that bit. If 0 and 1 are equally common, keep values with a 1. So if 0 occurs more than 1, so if 0 occurs more than 1, then 0, else 1. And we will end this end as pause check. So this is the position check. And then this is position 1 check. It would be great to write a loop for this, but I don't know how to write loops. So basically here, then we have this condition that we were looking at before. We would do select star from day 3. Select binary num from day 3, where position 1 in binary num equals pause 1 check. How come that doesn't work? Oh crap. Because we can't join them. Huh. Oh, this is really... What is the result of this? The result of this is 0. Oops. I made a mistake here. So position 1 check equals 0. That means I want to do all the values that start with 0. Can I join? Ah, maybe I can join that way. Inner join. Ooh, does that work? I wonder if that works, chat. Inner join. So day 3 as D3. Inner join d3.binary_num, and we want to do this one. Inner join, hold on a second. Inner join, no, oxygen generator as, I don't know, oxy on oxy dot pause 1 check equals position 1 in binary number. We have to specify which one. D3 oxygen generator, as in oxygen gen. Yeah, I realized that now. 0 rows. Naming things is not always hard. I would have gone with like oxygen or something like that. OXG, probably better. But I don't understand why this doesn't work. Can we not? Oh wait, isn't there SQL left? Left. Extracts a number of characters from a string starting from left. Ah, yeah, that would only help for the first one. Yeah. That would only help for the first one. Extract character in position. Yeah, it's substring. But extract a string containing a specific number of characters from a particular position. I should have done day 20 on stream. After taking almost 3 hours for day 19, I just did day 20 in about 15 minutes. Really? Oh, wow. Okay, let's try substring instead of position, because this one's not working. What language are you doing it in, Finite? Equals substring d3.python. Yeah, good language. Binary num. We want to extract from the first position one character. Integer equals text. Wait, is position check an integer? This is an int. Did I import it as int? I forget. Let's see what we did here. Huh. So these are all the ones that start with 0? 519. Hey, that works. Yeah, so this is oxy 1. I'm boring, not doing it on my toaster oven microprocessor or a Casio solar calculator from 1989. Listen, chat, I need to take a short break. But I will be back in a little bit. Would anyone like to guess where Fiona's going to be? I won't run a prediction, but if anyone would like to guess where Fiona's going to be. Fiona is our bunny rabbit. She lives in our apartment with us. I need to finish this, Steffi, and then we will do words. How about that?
Garbage.
Well, I don't hear any guesses, so I will just go into be right back. See you in a second. Hello again. And yes, you were correct, Steffi. Fiona was on the sofa. She looks very chill today. Does she need a new toilet? I don't think so. I checked before. I think it's alright. Should probably go another day or two. We always mix up the bedding a little bit. It just looks very bad from above. Let's say. Alright, so yes, Rugmat, you do indeed see a bunny. She's actually 6 kilos. She's pretty significant. Yeah, camera angle and lighting and stuff. I had to like slap a couple filters on the camera because it's not a very good webcam, so I had to try and do my best. If you look here, I'll put it over me. You can see that the coloring is very like very rough, let's say. So it probably just accentuates the toilet, even though it's not actually that bad. So this looks like it could work. Basically, we will loop through, creating our own loop. So we have AoC1, which is if this is like how do you say? How do you call this? AoC2. So what we'll do is we basically loop through by joining onto itself every time. So we would say basically this is the outcome of AoC2, which is 519, which is the total values. And then what we do is we have another position check. So we have to do another position check, which is here. AoC2, select basically case when from again binary number. And this is position 2 check. From day 3 as D3, inner join AoC1. I wonder if we should only inner join. No, you have to keep each one consecutively. So why is this not working now? All right, AoC1. So now what we do is we can probably copy this and do position 2. What was substring again? Position was the second one. Position 2. What's the result? Select star from AoC2 is 0. Okay. So AoC3 as inner join AoC2 it'll be much easier to change these each time. Maybe we should make them generic. It would be easier to just make this generic. I have to change less then. How about like that? AoC. And we'll just keep AoC each time. So AoC position 2 check. Substring 2. This was position 1 check. This is position 2 check. This is returning position 2. This has to return position 3. Okay. And this is going to be called position 3 check. Select star from AoC3. which is a 1 now. But we don't know how many values there are. That's the problem. I think it needs a nested case when. It needs to check the number of values. You know what I mean? Can I not comment this out? Edit code. Comment with block comment. Ah, there we go. Binary number. See here, there's 510 now. That start with basically whatever combination it is. Wait, I realized something. Hold on. AoC 1 checks the condition from day 3. Then we pull all of day 3. And then... This is the problem. We need to only pass those values. So there has to be... Oh! We can't do a count. We can't do a count at the same time as actually also including the binary number. Unless we do a window function. See, the problem is that you have to go from the 500 whatever values were in here. So if I do here, binary number, like that, I need to bring this binary number to the next step, but I can't do that at the same time as counting. So maybe I need to have 2 streams. Maybe I need to have one stream which carries the numbers and one which counts from each of those numbers. Is that possible? There has to be a better way of doing this. There has to be a better way of doing this, I think, right? I mean, you're iterating over that finite list. There isn't a way to shortcut that. You can't like store it temporarily while it's parsing the positions. It's really like a nested for loop, basically. Basically, I have all the numbers here. This is position 1 check. Only the numbers that match this one go into position 2 check. So if I name this oxygen list, and then I say I want binary number. Let's ignore this for the moment. From day 3, inner join oxy1 blah 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 on this one. This gives me 519, right? Yeah. So this is like the master list. After we've done the initial check. So we need to take this list now again and then join it again based on the values that are in this list currently. Which means that we will have to rewrite this every single time like this. Basically, AoC2 would be case when count blah 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 2 from oxygen list 1. Inner join AoC. We don't do this check here. This doesn't happen here. Basically, this just checks the position, which is 2. And now we have to do another list in between oxygen list 2, which takes the binary number from the first list, oxygen list 1, as, I don't know, AoC1, list 1. We don't even need this anymore, this alias. I'm just trying to get the method right. Oxygen list 2. So basically, binary number from oxygen list 1, inner join AoC2, position 2 check is equal to list 1 dot binary number position 2. This will take the 519 down to 265. Okay. We should be checking our input here, but you know, okay. I don't know how far we'll have to go, but let's see. This is AoC3 now. Case when blah 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 blah. Position 3. Position 3 check. From oxygen list 2. Then I take list 2. This is now list 3. Binary number from list 2. AoC3.
Wow.
Nestios, thank you very much for the follow. I appreciate that. If life gives you lemons, make lemonade. That is great advice, Stream Elements. Good job. So we are checking the third position. Select star from oxygen list 3. 151. Okay. That works. So now we have to make the fourth list. Oops. Formatting. AoC4, which will be when the fourth position count is that, then this is position 4 check, and this is list 3 that we're referencing, those 151 values. And then we create our fourth list. So list 4 is going to be from list 3 as a basis. you're going to join the 4th position, substring from list 3, binary number 4. 4th position, check. And then we select star from oxygen list 4. We should have less values. 84. Yep. Okay. Let's go to position 5 then. So this is Oxy 5. So this is checking position 5 from, this is very important, from list 4. So we're always reducing that list and checking that reduced list for the most common value. And once we have that value, we know what the number is. So this is oxygen list 5, which takes from list 4. This is basically a loop instead of writing a for loop. Basically. Position 5 check, list 4, binary number, check position 5. And then check oxygen list 5. 42. Okay. I'm gonna double copy this time because I'm confident. Don't know if that's a good idea, but Oxy 6 is 6, 6, position 6, list 5. List 6 is now from list 5. Oops. Oxy 6, position 6 check on the 5th list in the 6th position. Check the 6th list for me. 22. Basically, this is the pattern. Okay, so we'll do it once more. I don't know how many times we'll have to do it. I'm just gonna check manually. You could build in like a break normally in a loop, but I can't break that here. We're gonna check the 7th position. The strings are 12 characters, so technically we might have to check 11 times in theory. I hope not, but... So oxygen list 7. By the way, there's going to be an ad running in about a minute. So if you're not subscribed, don't worry. But this is fairly repetitive work right now, so you're not going to be missing anything exciting. So don't worry too much. List 6, I want to check the 7th position from list 7. How many values are we down to? 12. Okay, we're getting closer. All right, so Oxy 8. We're going to check the 8th position. And this is going to be called position 8 check from the 7th list. And we're going to check. We're going to make an 8th list from the 7th one. Oxy 8 as 8 check. List 7 as a basis, check the 8th position. And what is the result? 7 rows. There is a rule here. As there's only one, there will only be one number that matches. Interestingly enough. Okay. Fine. We should only have one number remaining after this. If we have more than one, then we know we've done a major mistake. Here comes the ad. Oxy 9, check the 9th position. Position 9 check. With 8 as a list, create a 9th list for me. From the 8th list as a basis. Check the 9th position of the 8th list to create the 9th list. list 9. 5 rows. Oh. Will this actually be 12 times every time? I wonder. Hey, noob! Sorry you're 2.5 streams late. Don't worry. To be honest. Checking the 10th position. It's good to have you here, noob. How are you doing, my friend? It has been a while. Take this from the 9th list. I want to take this as a basis from the 9th list. I'm going to create AoC 10. I'm checking the 10th position in my 9th list. I'm checking the 10th character. And there's only 3 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, and 0. Yet in time, any free time for you or your body, just an ass lot to do. Or just a bleep. Oh, actually, I do have that sound. Just a load to do. Oh, Jay Barty, thank you for that 2-month sub. Equal loopy nuts are we Oxy 1 and 2 and 3 Maddie shows what they can do. Maddie 2 shoes. What the was that? I wish I could write a SQL loop. I should probably learn how to write a SQL loop, but today is not the day to learn how to write a SQL loop. Definitely not. Definitely not. So we're going to check the 11th character, because obviously this isn't enough. From list 10 as a basis. What is the 11th character? Surprise me with the result. It's still 2 rows. Ah. Are we opening a Stargate with 11 chevrons? Yes, that's exactly what we're doing right now. We're basically going through every single combination until we find the right one. And that unfortunately takes 12 checks, and if I could write a for loop in SQL, I probably would have done it by now. The SQL Gate. I loved that show. Stargate was really good. Did anyone else like it? I really liked it. My brother always got super annoyed by it. I don't know why exactly. Is this position 12 check? Oh, wait a second. Wait. I made a mistake. This is from list 10, not from list 9. Wait. Oxy 11 is from list 10. So much potential. I know. They had infinite worlds. They could do whatever they wanted. They never had to stop. And now they want to reboot it. Of course they do. Of course. Of course. Of course. The movie was good. The series was good. Sega Genesis game was good. Okay, there's still only 2 results. Is this correct? Oxygen list 10 is drawing from list 9 as list 9. List 9 is here for the check. Oxy 10 as position 10 check. Oxy 11 draws from list 10. Checks position 11, which is the position 11 check. List 11 is 11 check, where we check position 11 from the 10th list. Oxy 12 is where we check the 12th number as position 12 check from the 11th list. We pull the 11th list in to create the 12th list. On the 12th list of oxygen, MySQL came to me. 12 checks remaining. Oh, it's been a while indeed for drop. Let's drop. Let's do it. It has been a while since we dropped. 12th position. There can only be one number now. Yes! Okay. This is the number. Unfortunately, I do not know if it's the right number. Multiply the oxygen generator rating. Oh, I have to convert it to decimal. Fine. Where is that? Oh, we did it last time. Which was this. Bit 12. Integer. Is the conversion. We do binary num. And then binary num bit 12. Integer as decimal. 931. Can someone confirm to me that this is 931? Can someone check this? Because I feel one SQL done, cross joins more to go. Yeah, now we have to do the exact opposite. The CO2 scrubber. It's basically the opposite condition. Because they want to know the least value. Start again with all 12 numbers. Consider only the first bit of each number. There are fewer 0 than 1, so keep only the 5 with a 0. Are there any ties? What if there's ties? I think you're the only person doing Advent of Code in SQL. No, I know there's a guy doing it. He has a YouTube series on it, but he's not live streaming it. Probably because this. Also, he can probably write SQL functions, and I can't. So I'm sure that his solution... We can go look at his solution afterwards, because I'm curious about what he did. But I'm just going to assume this is 931. The only one doing it live. Thank you, Jay Barty. Can confirm it's 931. Okay. I trust you. Fine. So this is now the thing. Okay. So this is this binary number. Now we have to do the CO2 scrubber. But what happens if there's a tie in this one? It doesn't state what should happen. See, it says here blah blah blah. Oh, if 0 and 1 are equally common, keep values with a 0. Okay. The least common value. So what I should do is copy this entire condition. $200 lines, I think. 229 to 419. Almost 200 lines. For what? Break here. Or just so for me, it's a reminder for CO2 stuff. Okay, so what? That didn't copy? Moly. Okay. So what I need to do is reverse all of the conditions and replace Oxy with CO2 or something like this, because they're named exactly the same. So I think I will rename them. I will rename Oxy. Let's go through the first one first. So this would be called CO2-1. That's not confusing at all. Is there another word for CO2 that we could use? Scrub? Scrubber. SCR. When the count of 0 is higher than the count of 1, that means 0 is more common than 1. Then we want to take 1. And if there's a tie, we want 0. Does that work? I wonder if that works. Let's test. What do we get? Select star from SCR list 1. 481. Yeah. 481 plus 519 is the other list. So that makes sense. Is the advent over? Can we has the words now? No, Gak. Later. I'm almost done though. We're getting there. You can always redeem the words. He did redeem it before, and then I rejected it. I just have to make all the replacements, okay? SCR list 2 from SCR 1. Ooh, I found a mistake. Uh-oh. I found a boo-boo. List 1. List 1. Okay, it's fine. I thought it was a mistake. I rejected it. Don't lay into me for rejecting. It's my stream. I can do what I want. Like only turning on one of my 2 ring lights. You clearly can't SQL. Maybe you are better at words. Did you just tell me I can't write SQL? Okay. Okay. He needs more letters to be better. Oh, chat, you are so savage, but you know that I can take it, so it's okay. I'm just replacing stuff. Only 10 more SCRs.
Garbage.
Provided I do this correctly, it will give me the correct result. That is correct. Should I copy SCR so I don't have to keep typing it? List 3, list 2, yeah. Oh no. SCR 3. This is 4, okay. Position 4, check. SCR list 4. You can also do it in a for loop and you won't have to repeatedly type it. I know. Thank you very much, Steffi, for your helpful suggestion of telling me to do a for loop when I don't know how to do a for loop in SQL. But you know, maybe someday I will learn it. Just not today. Not today. Not today. SCR list 5 is from SCR list 4. When you don't know something, you learn it. That is programming. Yeah, I'm just, as I said last time, I'm just afraid of them. I'm too afraid of loops in SQL. I feel like I could crash my server or something. Crash my database, which I don't feel like doing. So I'm just happy to, you know, leave it as it is for now. SCR. Let's check how many results we have. That's what backups are for. Yeah, oh, see, we didn't rename this one. I wish I could back up my Docker instance so easily. 17 rows. Okay, that's already pretty positive. I actually don't know how to back up my Docker container precisely. I looked it up. It's a little bit complicated to back up the data because it's attached as a volume on Mac. It's a bit confusing. I have backups of all the raw data, and I have backups of all my queries. Or backups. I store my queries elsewhere, so it's not a problem if it would die completely. It would just be a pain to import all the stuff again. But I probably wouldn't go and import like all these tables again. You know what I mean? Like I wouldn't go and get all this data again. I have the raw data store. They're just as, you know, CSVs. You can just tar the volume. Oh, really? Okay. That seems easy enough. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to do that next week sometime because it's like end of the year and that's typically when I make sure everything that is, you know, backed up and all that kind of stuff. I don't know. I just do it end of the year. I just have like a little review usually. Position 9 from SCR list 8. Substring SCR blah blah blah. So this is SCR list 9, which comes from SCR list 8. This. Okay, select star from SCR list 9. We are down to 4 rows. Holy moly. Almost there, chat. Almost there. If this is wrong, I don't even know what to say anymore. Like, we've done so much work. Like, again, like 2 hours. Yeah, almost 2 hours of work. The thing is, you can't validate this before. It's not possible. You know what I mean? Either that or you just dump SQL from the host machine to import later into another Docker box. Ah, okay. I could dump the... I mean, I could also export the entire Postgres database with PG dump. I could do that, actually. I could actually do that. That's also a good option. Yeah, because I don't care about the Docker configuration itself. Oh, well, a little bit, I guess. Took me a while to figure out how to get that working. I don't know. I'll see which one I end up doing. Good thing to do in Discord while chatting with others. So if you're interested, you can come join our Discord as well, where the community hangs out. We actually played Words on stream last night because people are addicted. So, you know, yeah, that was pretty cool. You know, we just hung out and played Words for a bit. It was quite fun. Select star from SCR list 11. How many results? 2 results. So it is, they make you go through 12 steps. People were addicted. Yeah, you tell me about it. Okay, so this is the last check. I saw that, but I was in the car and couldn't join. Oh no! Sorry to hear that, Ophelia. Were you driving somewhere? Where were you driving to? Not many people out on a Sunday, typically. Alright, let's do like this. From SCR, list 2, 12. What? Okay. All right. So basically, it's this decimal times this decimal. Now, because I'm obsessed with doing everything in SQL, I'm going to union them. Okay. I'm going to union them, and I'm gonna do the correct formatting because this annoys me. Union all, select blah 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 as decimal from blah blah blah, union. You were on your way to the Netherlands. Oh wow. From where? Join, let's call it, what's the calculation we're doing? Life support. Calc as. Basically you do like this. So life support calc is basically this. Select star from life support calc. So what we do is we do basically row 1 times row 2. So we do decimal times lag decimal 1. Is that right? I have to check. I don't remember. Oh yeah, lag. Spending the holidays here. Ah, from northern Germany. Okay, that's still quite a drive, right? That should be like a good 6 hours or something, I guess, right? Maybe. Hold on. I can't do a where because it's an aggregate. Ooh, really? But I can't do where either. You just triggered outside with that. Not much different regarding weather and staying inside most of the time, trying to avoid people. But when I go outside, language and street signs are not quite the same. And there are more windmills. This is true. Yes, this is true. So we're gonna do like this. We're gonna do like this. Live support as from. And then we're gonna just take a union of these two. I know it's not great, but you know. It's fine. It's fine. And what we're gonna do here is we can say select star from life support where, what do we call this? As lagged decimal. Where lagged decimal is not null. So you have here decimal and lag decimal. And so we do decimal times lagged decimal as life support rating. It's usually about 6 hours, but on a Sunday night the streets are quite empty, so it was less than 5. Nice. This is the final amount. Should we run a prediction, chat? Should we run a prediction so people can earn points to see if this value is correct? Honestly, if it's not correct, I'm gonna rage. I spent 2 hours again. No prediction. You just want to go straight to words, don't you, Steffi? I know you're impatient. Okay. I don't trust your tries. No! It's not the right answer. It's too low. Too low. I'm gonna spell check my stuff because maybe I made a typo. The methodology is correct. I know that it is. SCR. Day 3, SCR1, checks here, SCR. I should actually look for AoC. Ah, no, that's correct. There shouldn't be any AoC stuff past list 12, basically. So here, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, and then down here. Can we... So we can eliminate typos as an issue. Multiply the oxygen generator by the CO2 scrubber rating. So that's correct. We have to multiply them by each other. Too low. Maybe this logic is not correct. Let me think about this. When the count of 0 in the current position is greater than 1, then 0. Oh, I didn't change those, did I? I didn't change them. I didn't change them, chat. I forgot to change this condition because it's giving the same number. When the count of 0 is greater than 1, then 0. I changed it here, but not here. I need to change it in all of them. Oh, that's what I forgot. See, I knew I forgot something. The methodology is correct. It's not the best methodology. That would have been a massive channel point failure. And Steffi got burned last time. That's why you didn't want to risk your points again, did you? Sorry, I burned you last time. I apologize. It was a bit cruel. A bit cruel. Words shall come. How about that? When I get this correct now, we will play words. I would also like to go look at the solution that this dude on YouTube is doing for this day to see how bad my solution is compared to his. In terms of code count, like line count and efficiency and everything. Okay. Cool. It doesn't work anymore. The reason it doesn't work is because we might not need to do 12 checks. We might not need to do 12 checks. That's the problem. That we might have already ended up at one number here or something. Oh, there's no numbers there. That's terrifying. $481. That's correct. $236. I'm gonna go a bit further down here. I'm just gonna do it here instead. So 3, let's go to 4. Okay, 7. 4 rows, 8. 2 rows, 9. There will be 1 row. Yep, so it's after 9 loops. That's the problem. So we only need 9 loops. So list 9 already generates the correct value. So we do from here, from SCR list 9. Oops. This. Okay, it's a higher number. Yes! Yes! Oh! I did it. Yes! I can't believe... Oh, that is so satisfying. Oh, it's so satisfying. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Ophelia. Thank you. This is not efficient. I will say that. This is definitely not efficient. Thank you for the vibes. Thank you, everybody, for the cheers. Thank you, Jay Walter, for the bit. Das Stückchen. Very kind. So, this is definitely not an efficient solution. That's for sure. But it is correct. Shall we go check out? Yes, we shall do words, Gak. We shall do words. Should we check out? I want to see if I can SQL advent of code. But it is a solution, yes. Yeah, so this guy, Mitchell Hashimoto, has been doing up to day 7. I went and watched up to day 2. The videos are very short. Day 3. Day 3.
Replace your notebooks and printed documents.
So I'm gonna just pause the music.
Remarkable 2, the only tablet.
Good ad. Good ad.
Advent of code day 3 solved with simple today because it's single column. Okay, so I have my inputs directly in the table array, and if you give...
Okay, that was what we did. Let me just put this over here. Let's compare for a second. So what was my solution to the first part? My solution to the first part was regex split to array.
that a string, let's say unnest.
Oh, unnest.
And that turns each value into a row.
So what he's doing, which is a little bit different than what I did, is he's putting them into individual rows, and I had individual columns.
And the last thing I want is to know the index. So I want to know this was character 1, character 2, character 3, etc. Now, reference the value of
So he's doing a lateral
the
unnest,
current row, and
which gives
doing
it
a lateral, and
a
those are really
position
cool,
of each
to look
character.
up.
That's very smart.
You-
So now he has, each string has its own ID. He generated an ID for each string. So basically, the first binary number was 1. It had 5 characters, and each was at a certain
See
index.
that I get.
It's a very good
So
solution.
here's how we, but is really cool that you could do.
So it's a little bit hard to read because he's doing it within the console directly, but you can see that essentially what he did is he used the row method versus the columns. I did the
row
column
and then
method.
group and convert that,
Okay.
make it so the length is predictable, and using that I can now say that's a 32-bit number and convert it to decimal.
Same
At least
same as us with the bit.
Converted it, inverted number, and if I convert, and then this is just taking that result and doing what I just said, which is
Wow. That's a very elegant solution.
padding it with zeros to get the gamma, padding it with ones, inverting it, and then converting to decimal to get the epsilon, and then multiplying them together to get the answer. Then for part 2, we now need to calculate 2 more values, which is the oxygen rating and the CO2 rating. And the way we do this is sort of an iterative or recursive.
React content, pro streamer.
It's a bit-
Exactly.
if the most common bit's 1, then of the.
So I want to see how he did this, how he did it to go through the list of items that have previously been discarded.
In this case, we're doing that same breakdown to get the ID, character, and index into a characters table.
Yeah.
Talk through the SQL function right now, and then show it.
He wrote a function, chat. He did the thing that I didn't do, which is he wrote a function. You see here, create a replace function, day 3 decode, most common Boolean, returns text as blah, 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 begin. Okay,
Running later.
that's what I should have done.
So I created the SQL function decode. It takes an accumulator, which you start out empty, and it takes whether you want the most common next character or least common.
Yeah, and this is basically the way to do it.
We only care about. If we didn't find anything, then we are done.
Yeah, this is basically the for loop methodology from JavaScript or whatever in SQL.
Finished our results. That last part 1, we select the most common character within the characters, where the index is the current linkers who are part of the strings that
So
are in the set of IDs that.
this is a completely different solution than what I did. Completely different. Basically, I kept on taking a set and rejoining it onto each other. If you see here, right? So I would have a count. I would check which one is most common from that first list, create a list of those values, then check that second list, and then output that second list again based on the position. And basically this inner join was doing the filtering for me each time. So yeah, I'm very impressed with his level of SQL. That's definitely beyond my level because I don't know how to write functions. I think that's the next thing for me to go towards because I've never learned to write functions. So yes, chat has wanted it. I think it's time. I think you've deserved it. I think we will go over to words. This is what we did last time. Played a bit of words and then called it good night. So let's AoC 2022 in SQL with functions. Maybe. I don't know if I'm going to do more Advent of Code. I've done 3 days now. I don't know if I want to do more. Gak, you do not need to pay for this round. It's on the house. I rejected your previous one. That's fine. Keep your points. I'll get this one. I'll get this one. Don't worry about it. So yeah, I did the first 3 days of AoC, and yeah, I don't know. Oh, you're saying I could do next year's? So generous, so generous. It's the least I can do for you, Gak. It's the least I can do for you. All right, so let's get to playing, chat. If everyone is here. Yeah, I misunderstood what you said, Steffi. I misunderstood your comment. I thought you meant this year's AoC. This year's AoC, the next year, that I could retry it. I could keep doing it. Kaza? No, that's not one. Paste. Dakakakasa? Kakadash? Days? Cicada? No. Cicada? Cascade! Jay Walter coming in with the clutch. Nice. Dace is a freshwater fish. Oh, isn't that from Animal Crossing? I should have known that. Drop DB Cascades. I have to say, the synthwave playlist of Pretzel is perfect. Chef's kiss. I mean, we've beaten this level, but we're not doing very well, chat. Just gonna say, we're not doing that great. It's not great. Not great. I'm also gonna commit my code while you're all playing. It's not something you really need to see, to be honest. All right. We did all right. We did okay. Let's continue then. Record. Very nice. Something with DR. Road core. Road core. It's like a new type of mic music. I mean, we've beaten this level, but it's definitely tight, chat. It's not like... It's not super obvious, you know? Someone get rodeo? Interesting how rodeo wasn't one. Hey, Chris, code. Oh my god, that took long. Yeah, too long. Welcome in, Chris. Nice to see you. Good to see you. I think I'll change my category though. I don't want to be, you know, I don't want to be one of those people, you know. Missing another O for rodeo. Ah, yeah, true. True. Okay, let's go. Reported. Streaming in wrong category. Savage. Okay, I changed. Longer words out of this. Lentil! Wow, okay. Nice one, Chris. Very, very solid performance. Lentil? Lentil is a type of food. I don't know what category they're in. I don't know what lentil is. I know what lint is. Intel. the stream. Yeah, linsen, exactly. Legumes. Yes, they're in the legumes category. That's correct. What's that 5-letter word? I don't know. T-I-E-L-N? Nealt? Nelt? Nelt? Neln? Linen? There's you need double N's for that. What's that 5-letter word? I thought it was Intel, but it didn't work. Yeah, I suppose they're not sponsored by Intel, so they don't do it. Oh dear. I mean, it's okay, chat. You're doing all right. I don't have like we're skipping 3 levels. It's still okay. This time was better than before. Okay. Okay. There is a fake letter. All I see is repeating letters. Taste. Okay. The U might be fake. Teats. There's only one S though, so there won't be plural. Satiate. Ophelia. Nice. That means the U is most definitely fake. So we can forget about the U and concentrate on all the other letters. Eights. Just been looking at who we could potentially raid today. been having a look around. I think there's a good... I have a good raid target. I think I'll be happy about this one. Skipped one level this time. We're only doing one game, chat. After this is out of there. So. No, Steffi, we raided him last time. Be careful, there's another fake letter. Game over, man. Yeah. I think it will be a good raid reaction, noob. Yeah. I know them a little bit, so should be. Raver. Grave. The M might be fake. Graver. Yes, the M is definitely fake. Gave. So we got this level. Let's continue. Should be Rave as well. Someone get Rave. Yep. Good one, Steffi. The M is most definitely fake. Yeah. Once you get the longest word, then you know which letter is fake. Okay. 2 left. Oh, 1 sec, chat. I need to check something. You won't hear music for a bit. All right, 3 levels. Solid, chat. Ever since I told you that we were gonna lose, that's when you started playing for reals. Jay Walter in the lead currently, 82 stars. Jay Barty 56 and Steffi 42. The answer to life. Okay, there's a fake letter and there's also a hidden letter, which you can find out sooner if someone guesses the top word. Oh, yep. Thank you for that tip, Chris. It was villain, which means the hidden letter is Villan. The hidden letter is also an I. And the fake letter is the S. Correct. Wow. Okay, we're doing really well this round. That 5-letter word has to be something after V. Villy? Oh, it is Villy. Okay. I don't know what that word is. Maybe something with A? Just spam all the... Avil? Just spam all the A words. A something. A-L-I... I don't know. Ali? Avil? Aliv? Aval? It could be L-A something as well. Lals? L-A-I-L? Lael? Alvin! Noob. Nice. I don't know, chat. I have no idea what that one was, but we skipped 3 levels, so good job. Good job. Gonna snooze that. Okay, so let's interact and continue. GG's, chat. Good job so far. I don't know if that's one, probably not. Next stream is making a machine learning algorithm to beat words on stream. That'd actually be kind of fun to like dictionary attack words on stream. That's a fun idea, Chris. Attention, there's a fake letter still, and the hidden one, of course. But there's a fake one. I'm guessing it's the Oh, that's difficult. Only 5-letter words, no 4-letter words as well. Diced might be a D. G is fake. Yeah, Ridge didn't go through, so G is fake. What's the hidden letter though? What's the hidden letter? G is fake, so I don't know. Riced, diced, dicer, dioche, ricin. Yeah, just spam. I don't know what. Rigged. I don't know. Oh, it's a V. V. Okay, so what could this be? Divorce. Yes, it's divorce, but I don't think that's enough to get us in, and I'm locked. Oh no. So close, chat. So close. F in chat. GG's, chat. Good job. Thank you everyone for joining. We're not doing another words on stream today. GG fails. GG fails. No, I have to go. I'm a little bit tired today. I'm not feeling super fun today for some reason. Probably FGG, I would say, Ophelia. Thank you, Jay Barty, Fine Night Canhorn, and White Panther for renewing your subscription and your trust in this channel and in me. I appreciate that very much. Thank you to the new followers, Nestlos, Rugmat, and Tuki. I appreciate your support, and to everyone who was here in chat today, as well as to the cheers from Jay Walter, White Panther, Ian, and UK. Very, very appreciated that you're cheering biddies as well. We are going to raid a little bit of a different streamer, different time zone as well. We're going to raid Jinri. Jinri is actually a partnered streamer, and she is building an open source community of streamers in order to match them with what you want to watch. It's kind of interesting. She's Korean, but her chat is a mixture between English and Korean. I hope you enjoy. It should be good fun, and I will be seeing all of you not this Friday, but next Monday for the second last stream of the year. Thanks for your time and for being here. I appreciate all of you, and I hope you all have an enjoyable week ahead. Bye-bye.